water from my coat.
I think this is good. Wait, come right next to me. I hope I'm not just in the middle. Okay, how do you take it like a shot? You just, like that? Okay, wait. Let me feel it all the way like you do. Okay, 3, 2. Okay, that was good. You all like? There, it's on it. Oh, okay, wait. What about no don't you get? Right there. Hi. Wait, did you show it? Also, every time I do the gate with, like, and I open it with my own 2 hands, I mess it up somehow. I don't know how I do it.
With your own 2 hands?
Yes.
Oh, hey, Justice.
Hi, Justice, look. Wait. Oh.
Wait, shut the door.
Whoa. Dude, what?
So weird.
Yeah, it is sweet.
Yay.
Like, what is this?
Is this thing on? Oh my.
So it's like twisted, but then there's just like a little twist. Like obviously it looks normal on, but there's just like a little twist, so it becomes like a. You see my life? Yes, you. Of course, life is making my life so good.
Wait, what bikini?
It's little stripies.
Booyah.
That's really cute. I'm so sad. I wish I knew that was a thing. I literally was doing nothing. I should have texted you before I fell the fuck asleep.
When you said there was a 303 pop-up and I got really excited, I thought you meant 303, like the band, like the really emo band. And that's what
That's what you went, really?
Yes.
Yeah, there is. There was something like that. They had their dresses too. And they were $70. Wait, what time did you go? When was this?
Okay, Sunny.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the fastest you've ever eaten a meal?
Yes. Probably in like 10 minutes because I'm like in a rush, but I'm really, really hungry. So I'm like, I just gotta get a couple bites, scarf it down.
Yeah. Okay. So if you had a waffle that was big as from your head to your torso, how fast do you think that you could eat it?
I probably wouldn't even finish it. I get full pretty fast. I'd probably eat like about to here. I'd probably eat like a head Sunny waffle.
Yeah. Well,
So it's not sporty.
but what if
Yes.
you could exceed the capacity of your stomach and you would eat it all? How fast do you think?
From my head to my torso.
Yeah.
From my head to my toes. Maybe. If I really tried my hardest as fast as I can,
Mhm.
and I don't get it to no repercussions,
Yeah.
maybe like 30 minutes.
30 minutes? 30, 35.
30. I don't know. Hi.
My heart! I love it. Nail reveal. Wait, watch
Stop.
this. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Hold still.
No, you can't hold still. You have to, like, shimmer it, like, oh. They look so princess.
How much were they? Because you got cat eye and chrome. Really? Wow, that's actually really good.
We should go.
Originally they said 105.
Quiet on set. Oh.
Bye. That was scary. Hello. Sing to me. Do you want me to drive? I'm already.
Wait, can I pee first? Would you guys wait for me?
Yes,
Can
go
you hold
ahead.
it?
Do you want me to film you peeing?
Okay, bye. How do I stop it? Okay. Sing to me. Aleka fridge reveal. Justice reveal. Your sister?
Swapped. It's crazy.
Swapped.
Sing to me. Sing to me. Sing to me. Sing to me.
Cabinet reveal.
Wow. Doritos. Eat.
Well, from Gangnam Style.
Who's going back to the camera?
Wait, Wait, ready? Oh my fucking god. What is Skooky Dookie Productions?
It's our skate channel.
You're getting a new video? Who?
New
Sky. Wait,
video.
is it like you and Bill? Wait, can you type it in?
All of us. With me, Bill, and Bennett.
Look at my awesome sick nails.
Wait, do you have it out
I saw them, dude. They're so cute. And it's like,
Look, I have portals in my nails.
I'm so
I know,
jealous.
dude.
I really like them. I would do this, but in like a purple.
I would do it, but also.
Dude, they have so many awesome, beautiful colors. Next time
I need to go there.
Yeah. We all go?
Yeah.
Wait, give her to me.
Okay.
Watch this. I hit the door.
Just send it an angel cried. Oh, she cried. An angel cried. She cried.
Angel cried. A little man died inside of my ear. It was like the wax. All I do is spit in them facts.
Ew! Did you lick it? Hello. Alika's gonna cut my hair.
This is so exciting.
I know. She's cut my hair before. She's my regular. She's my hairdresser.
Are you ready?
He's just getting you to say the folks to. It's like we farted.
I wish I had a stand for this.
That'd
Like,
be awesome.
I have you right in the middle. Now you have to do something really entertaining. Whoa, the thing just glitched out like gnarly. Wait, I'm waiting for them to say something.
I watched Star Wars today.
That's cool.
Phantom of the Menace, actually.
Ooh, nice. Was it good?
It was pretty good.
Nice.
Padme was really pretty.
She made my shit straight.
You need to stop.
No joy and happiness. You kind of look really yellow.
I know. It makes the lighting so perfect.
I'm blinking.
Wait.
Guys, look at TS.
My bracelet is stabbing into my boob. It's stabbing into my boob.
Well, stop.
Thanks.
Like you're not in control of what you're doing.
BBL Drizzy.
BBL Drizzy. Oh. We're kind of twinning.
A little bit. Easy counterpart. My side part's messed up.
I'm in love with an emo girl. I'm in love. I'm just in love. Quote Luca Bermudez.
My hands are slippy.
Sippy cup. Parkour. Parkour.
So, Alonka leg.
I just. Alonka leg. Ew, it's all foggy.
Ew.
Look out the window, it's so aesthetic. Wait, that's actually really cute.
It's so
NGL.
hot right now. Whoa, you have
Look
so
at
many
Alika's
brushes.
cute brushes. Look at this. You can like take this out
Do you
like
have
a
to
butt
clean
plug,
it every single time?
and you can put this in,
That sucks.
and then whoa, why are they warm? It's like in the and then you can look, you can like separate the hair.
No.
I was just giving them an example.
My eyes all glossy.
Maybe. Look at her cute little bag. Look at my nails.
I like how deluxe this looks.
Deluxe.
The thing is, like, it's really not. It looks deluxe, though, so that's what it counts.
How long did
What?
What?
How long did it take for you guys to put on your makeup?
I don't know, not
Like
that long.
10 minutes.
5 minutes.
Because it was just eyeballs, nothing else.
Eyeball.
A ball.
Life is ball.
Ball is life.
Life is a ball.
Life is just a circle.
Life is a circle.
No.
Ball is life. Life is Roblox.
We need to tap into our living phone.
Look at all her combs. Well, this one, it's like a paintbrush. Maybe I'll have her give me pink highlights next. Sorry. I don't know why I said sorry like she's talking to me.
I'm putting my middle split back.
Your middle split?
Yeah, is it back? Is it normal?
Kinda. Wait, look. Yeah, it's like back, but it's just like a little.
What's that? What's these?
I'm gonna finish cutting.
Fire.
Sunny's hair, and then we'll probably.
Not real. Actually.
Bruh.
Yeah. I kind of mess with it. Look how pretty. What?
Like 30 minutes, you're good.
Where? Oh my god. How do you zoom in on this thing? Can you zoom?
Let me know when you're on the way. Actually, you kind of like it.
Microwave. I know. The zoom is so. Bruh.
She had to get eye surgery, or else she would literally go blind.
Whoa.
Because her eyesight was so bad. Well. These trimmers are low-key shit. I don't use these. I use the ones that I school. But you should be good. I fixed it out.
It's like the barber is finishing up. He starts slapping his head.
I like that this is.
Can you turn that light on right there?
Which light on?
Like, it's over there.
Check this out.
Okay.
No, you turn on the light.
Let there be light.
No, it just didn't make it much brighter. That's why it wouldn't give us nothing.
This brings you back to Buffy and the Floaties.
Are you touching it?
Thanks.
Check. I don't know.
My turn.
Guys, I'm scared. I think
This is a before.
Probably. I think Justice is getting taller, guys.
Probably. We need him to stand next to Layla. Okay, guys, this is my before.
My ball spot?
Yeah, your ball spot's not from you. No.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, well, it is from you, but not yours. Pose for me. Stay still.
Okay,
I
awesome.
hear the Smiths.
Happy birthday, Abby.
What'd you say?
Want to be in the more middle of the road? Justice revealed.
It's the Jungle Man.
Oh wait, that's cute. Okay. No, I know. I think that she had actually doing it first.
I can run really fast. Look, I'll run fast. Wait.
Remember when Layla threw up here? Oh, I do remember this. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I don't know. What are you doing? You're gonna film me? But... Yeah. I'm gonna film you.
Okay.
I don't know.
Wait, there's not a million ants on it. Yeah, exactly.
I heard everyone leaving.
Like high, like it's like
Oh, oh.
Gooning everywhere.
See, we're playing microphones. Put the phone. See, I just see
But look how nice it
moment
is.
right now, and everyone pulls them.
Yeah. I know. All the pictures I took at the phone today, I'm never getting them. Well, I need to show you guys this. The lighting was actually so long.
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do.
Wait, get me in on that.
Boom. Uh-huh.
Yes, fine us.
You hold it.
Oh, I thought you went, I was a fairy. She was a fairy. I hate the remix. She was a fairy. Wow. Oh, they never. She was a fairy. I just hate it. Like, why couldn't they just say, she was a fairy? As mystical and magical as the number. I'm gonna, you know what, maybe don't be lazy. Yeah, for once, Sunny.
Do you want Aura Farmer?
Some good tape.
You're taking off your blue.
Hey, Justice.
Hello.
Bum, bum, bum. Hey, Sunny, your hair looks really good.
Really?
Yeah,
Thank you.
I like it lots.
I like today.
That would suck if I dropped this in here. Imagine I just push you. I'd be pretty bummed. That'd be really mean. I would never do that. Thank
I
you.
would catch, you would like throw your camera and I'd catch it.
Really?
Just
you
the
have a
camera.
mosquito on your forehead.
Oh my god, wait, now it's in your hair. Wait, I think it literally just went down your shirt.
Oh.
Or it fell to the floor. I'm gonna get the biggest mosquito bite on my forehead, and I'm not even joking. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be like, boom. It is. My mosquito bites get really big. I have one on my...
You have one on your foot?
Is it on my butt or on my thigh? With this shit. It's like behind my legs. Every mosquito...
There's one right here. And there's two big mosquitoes. There's two mosquitoes on you.
Tenny Cliff. I'll be over here. Everybody here is not going to get a mosquito bite because I will take them all. Oh, this is an accidental video. Oops. Dude.
That's
Wait, Justice, can you show off my D's?
okay. Wait, who's Steve?
Okay, here we go. Okay.
I'm filming me.
Or you can film me putting it on you or do whatever you want.
Lucas putting words on my head.
Oh my god! My face is so oily.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yes, it is. She's getting the big old turd.
No, I don't want to go too crazy.
But you're gonna get a little crazy.
I'm gonna get a little crazy.
Where's the other dog? And then we all busted into our dance moves. We were doing the whip, the nay-nay. There we go.
Wait, bedazzle me.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Kind of need to poop again. I've pooped like 3 times already, but I'm still really bloated.
It's like you have a face dermal.
A what?
The face piercing.
Oh, a dermal? Or whatever the fuck they're called? Yeah, those are like gnarly.
They're cute though.
I could never get one.
There you go. I don't know if it's even, but it's like...
Yes.
Whoa!
What the fuck?
It literally just expanded.
Look at Alika's wow glasses.
I bet she'd be like, wow. Whoa, turd wow.
Turd wow. So lit. That one was
So
good.
woo. Let them girls, let them girls. you didn't know the life hack.
I didn't know the life hack. You just smack it. Like you literally are just like this. And then you put it back in and it works.
That's so amazing.
Crazy. Dude, I actually like.
What?
Does that dog have fleas?
No, I don't know. I wouldn't know. I mean, she was kind of scratching around, so.
All I did was itch with my foot.
I don't think you have to, because people have been, like, petting the dog. You're fine. You're fine.
This is Luther by Kendrick and SZA. No. This is Step Down Funk by Shabuzi. You're actually trans. No. Step Down Funk by Shabuzi. No, this is Luther by Kendrick and SZA.
Yeah?
Luca, this is Step Down Funk by Shabuzi.
I don't fucking know.
No, it's Kendrick Luther with SZA. This is Kendrick, right?
It sounds like. Wait, it's not.
You were rage baiting.
It's like you're transforming. He said. Whoa.
Rage bait works so well because I know it's rage bait, then
I trapped.
I rage at the fact that they're rage baiting. Turn it off. Let's take shots after this.
It's really cool now. It's like a filter.
Thank you. I'm gonna refill.
Oh my god, are you guys actually?
Should I?
You're gonna whistle at night.
Curve the beat. I feel like I'm gonna take this filter back from you. Is anybody else taking a shot? He's on his third one.
Wait, I don't want to do
I feel love.
What?
Like, you're still letting me do this?
Oh my gosh.
You're just like this.
Oh, it's so hot. No, it'll work. This is what people do.
Like, really?
Yeah.
Okay, why does it look you working?
What? Oh, it's really hot. I don't like being by it. There you go. I just ate with this camera work. Bum, 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 bum. What is that? Did you hit your head? Wait, are we blowing up a marshmallow? Yeah.
Oh, it's glowing. You should put a grape in there. Oh, it is.
Put a grape in there. Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna explode this thing.
It reeks of onions somehow. It kind of does.
Phil, someone's calling for you. Hello? 3, 2, right here. 1. Bro, look at this.
Oh my god. There it is, a boo. You can have it.
I'm gonna eat it with this tongue. Bro, it's hot. Phil, touch it. I didn't even feel like nothing. I don't know why I reacted like that. And that's how you make microwave. Is it jiggling? Wait, put your stick in it and see if you can pull it all up. Cheese pull. Alright. Is it hot? Wait, feel like...
It's probably like molten.
Why is there a blender? They're making blended shots. Blended shots?
Wait. Like a smoothie?
No, like a margarita.
Hey! Booyah.
Justin caught me outside lighting a marshmallow with a lighter, and he made me eat it, and it tasted like lighter.
I know they do taste like that when you it's only when you use the lighter. He microwave marshmallow. Yeah.
So cool.
was talking to Nat and I was like, when the drink starts tasting like I'm gonna miss my friends when I go to college.
Are there twisted teas?
Wait, no, they're in the fridge.
No, are they?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ashley. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, now we're gonna eat your cake without you.
We love you.
Do you want it for breakfast? Blue cake for breakfast. Can we eat it?
For breakfast.
No comment?
Well, look at that giant gecko.
Can we eat some? What time is it? 10:45.
Birthday time.
It's party time. Start chewing on it.
Imagine dragons.
Imagine dragging these nuts on your face.
Oh, God.
Imagine dragging these
Wow, I
birthday
really
vibes
can't
all
wait to go
over
to
your
bed.
happiness.
Bruh.
I really can't wait to go to bed.
Yeah.
To be completely honest. I'm Dr. Sunny.
Dr. Sunny.
Dr. Dre mother.
Dr. Barassi.
Oh my God, look at this typewriter. This is
Whoa.
so lit. Look, B.
This is my gamer keyboard. Bah. Bah. Wow. Bah. Bah. Bah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Love you.
Night night. Love you, Abby.
You can have that party hat too.
Wait, put.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I have it.
Whoa, you're mogging. Turn to the side. Nope. Nope. Yep. Ooh.
Every day of my life I'm logging because I'm so handsome.
Every day you mogging, your life so boggling. Your mind a puzzle, ain't nobody can puzzle. Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Can I have your keys?
Holy shit.
Oh my God, that was really fast.
Did you all of it? How did you do that? I don't understand. What is the method?
I don't know what the method is.
Just go and just. Well, good thing they're not carbonated. I think I'd choke and die. Alika, I believe in you. I believe in you. Curly versus curly. Oh, squirted! You have to Oh my God, Alika. You have to open the top. Open the top! Hurry! Okay, you have to do it at the same time. Oh, that was so loud. My apologies, everybody.
Let's
The video. She's just letting it spill. Where did I go?
I think it's really good. Yeah, I was just
Go get her another one. Let her try again. No. Not. Wait, I'm so confused. Okay, let's watch that.
I was doing that.
Oh,
Look at that.
yeah.
Ready?
Shit. Wait, here. Do this? Okay,
Wait,
let me see if it's
my
box
hand's
loaded.
Hold. Locked in.
Okay.
Another one.
No, and then
not another one.
I felt like bro.
Wait, I don't want it. Okay, then we told you to open it.
Oh.
Yeah, all from her. Look. No, half of it.
So nice to meet you. Yeah. Oh, wait.
To meet you.
I don't know how to do it.
Join the animatronics family. We're open real soon. Tell your best. Whoa, hold on.
Sorry, I got you. That's bully.
Oh. Bennett is a bully. This is true.
Guys, breaking news.
Bully Bennett. Bully Bennett.
This is not for
What the fuck? Oh my God. Did he fall in there or what? Alright, y'all, pack it up.
I broke the door and you broke that.
Oh
Watch
God,
it.
this has to fucking.
Whatever I get, I have to do.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh.
That was.
What did it
That
go?
didn't even land on nothing.
Oh, okay, do it again.
That was like. Oh,
Come on, pal.
That's my favorite.
I believe in you.
That means we both had to take one.
Okay.
Let's run.
Okay.
Oh, wait. What am I first now? So we get to take a 100. Oh, we have to drink a couple milk.
Shit. Shit.
Whole gallon.
Oh. Kill him. Kill him.
One of this? Or
Yeah.
one of this?
Let's just take one of this. And then I'm going to take a bite of watermelon.
I feel like it should be normal. Oh.
Okay, do we only have?
No, we're doing full. Do me only. I'll do full if you do full.
Okay, fine. 75%. 75%.
That's full. Okay, I'm gonna pour you like 50 and then I'm gonna pour
Stop.
you. No, we both have to take this.
Dude, you're gonna kill me. Wait.
I'm gonna kill you too.
Let me watch TS.
Here, and then you have to take this time.
I just brushed my teeth and put my retainer in. Okay, I am not taking a shot of vodka.
Wait, I have to make. No, this is not fair.
It is fair. I don't want to.
Okay, ready?
You're
3.
bigger than me.
I'm not
Ready?
peer pressuring you.
Ready? 3,
She's
2,
calling you big.
1. Go. Down the hatch. Down the motherfucking hatch. Yeah, she did.
Why are you zooming in on me? I didn't even do nothing. Nothing.
Smell that hand sanitizer. You get watermelon.
I'm not gonna throw up.
Oh my god, that like gonna roast his
Do your signature move. It's gonna be like, you know those videos where it slow zooms in and you have to do like a cool move. Yeah. Okay, ready? 3. No, you can't come closer. You have to, okay, ready? 3. Fuck off. Wait, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Wait, we hit that. Ready? 3, 2. Oh, yeah. This is my signature pose. I'm the alpha. I'm the leader. I'm the one to trust. This is my signature pose right now. Wait, did you just have another one? Me when I'm trying not to throw up. I'm not even. I can do 100 jumping jacks right now and have no reaction. Do it. Do it then. 2.
You're gonna throw up. If you blow chunks, don't look at me.
I will only blow gunks. I'm gonna be like this.
Wait,
I'm gonna
can
get
you
all
guys
over your
smile?
retainer.
Should I?
Thinking about how fast it is.
Are you not?
Bucking.
Okay. I think this is my tweet. I don't know. Oh my god.
Wait, can you open Can you open the door for us right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Come on, Luca.
I come in for you. Oh my god.
I'm mumming.
Always
Why is this? Wait.
Can't wait to meet you. To join the automatronic family.
Smoke this inside.
It'd be disruptive. Okay, ready?
Is that your fighting pose?
That's
my
Don't play with me. I've done karate.
I do freaking judo.
I know freaking judo.
Wait, you do judo?
Equal. Oh, don't fucking
Liver hit.
Pow! Pow! Pow!
I know it.
I know it.
Fucking know it.
I fucking know it. I have my face in this one. Sorry. Hello. I like that face kind of crazy. You gotta post it. Yay! Yeah, it is.
It's really nice, actually.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Oh, you're taking pictures? Yeah. Yay. Well, see, this lighting is so bad. Yeah, maybe not. It's like a little wet, but.
These are my apples. Do not fear and do not frown. Some of them are kind of brown, but that is okay, because for me, it is pretty yummy. In my little tummy, I eat. They make me very excited and delighted to have a bite. With all my might, I use my pearly whites to chomp through shiny red skin, and it is akin to my friend Johnny, who has a red face, no mace, jar. That's where I keep all my little apples to gaze upon and upon across the field where I feel all my feelings.
My stomach moving.
Apple poem. And
Are you taking a video? What? No. Okay. You were there. I had to burp, that's why. I didn't want you to Why? You did take a video. What? No.
no, but
Yeah,
I did get easy in there.
Yeah, you want run. Oh, yeah. I know. Let's get turned. That rhymes. All I do is skirt. And then I go in and burp. All those vapes I hit were very burnt.
The end. Sorry if the audio sucked. I'm gonna delete fucking everything. If you want something, tell me before it goes away forever.